Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. Robert Frost is a famous American poet. He mostly writes about nature and he is called a nature poet. This is a small poem written by him and it is set on a wintry day. Sardi ka din hai. It was snowing all around. A fine dust of snow had covered the tops of the trees. There is one hemlock tree. Now, hemlock tree is a poisonous plant with small white flowers. You see, hemlock tree, a poisonous plant with small white flowers. Right. Now, the top of the hemlock tree was also covered with the dust of snow. And the poet, Robert Frost, was standing under the hemlock tree. Suddenly, there appears a crow from nowhere and he comes and sits on the top of the tree. The sudden movement of the crow made the dust of snow fall down. The flakes, the pieces of snow, the powder of snow fell on the poet who was just standing under that tree. The arrival of a crow and it sitting on the hemlock tree is just an ordinary happening. बहुत छोटी सी चीज़ है. There is nothing great in it. On the other hand, the crow stands for ill omen. है ना? Crow जो है वो ill omen है. मतलब it's not considered a good bird. वो एक बुरे उसके अपशकुन के लिए मानी जाती है. And the hemlock tree is also associated with poison. But these simple things of nature, they left a deep impact on the mood of the poet. ये छोटा सा incident leaves a deep impact. And it has been very dull, very sorrowful day for the poet. The day has not gone good for him. But after this incident, it works, it lifts up his mood and it cheers his mind. उसका जो mind है वो बड़ा खुश हो जाता है, mood खुश हो जाता है. And he realizes that at least some part, half the day is spent happily. In the end, the poet feels very happy कि उनका जो आधा दिन है वो बच गया है. Now this is the background of the poem. Now you see. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Poet कहता है the way. Now I told you the poet is standing under the hemlock tree. Crow वहाँ पर आकर बैठ जाता है. And the way the crow, when he comes and perches, sits on the tree, it shooks down the snow, dust of snow, from a hemlock tree, has given my heart a change of mood. वो कह रहे हैं इतना छोटा सा इंसिडेंट ने मेरे मूड को बड़ा अपलिफ्ट किया. It changed my mood. Poet was not happy, he was depressed, he was hopeless. But इतने से इंसिडेंट को पोएट को मिला रहे छोड़ो ये जो डस्ट जिस तरह से क्रो ने हिलाई कि now leave it, whatever is gone and now let us change my mood. And saved some part of a day that I had rued. And it had saved half part of the day which he had rued. Rued means held in regret. जो पोएट को रिग्रेट हो रहा था, पछतावा हो रहा था कि उसका दिन खराब हो जाएगा, वो उससे बच जाता है. Now this poem, the greatest message of the poem is that a moment that seems very simple, very ordinary, has a larger significance. हमारी ज़िंदगी में बहुत बड़े बड़े वो मोमेंट आते हैं जो कि हमें बड़े बचा लेते हैं. It shows how small things, ineffective things, बहुत ही छोटी सी insignificant thing changes our attitude and changes our mood. So this is all about the poet. Now you see this rhyme scheme we see. Now see the last word of the poem. The last word of the poem is crow. O. The sound is O. So let us mark it A. Now second line, the last word is me. It is a different sound. So it will, suppose we mark it B. The dust of snow. Now crow and snow is same. So it will also be A. From a hemlock tree, me and tree are rhyming. So it will be B. So the rhyme scheme of the stanza of the poem is A, B, A, B. Okay. So this is all about the poem. Now you see, suppose we mark it A, this sound, me, B, again A and tree. So we write the rhyme scheme A, B, A, B. This is the rhyme scheme of the poem. So my dear students, this is all about the poem Dust of Snow. Very, very small poem giving a great message that we have to be cheerful and sometimes very small incidents, they change our mood, they become a mind changer, mood changer, and there is always a silver lining behind every cloud. जब हम कभी उदास होते हैं, डिप्रेस होते हैं, होपलेस होते हैं, still there is a cheerfulness behind it. Okay.